Hey everyone, just a quick video of some of the footage got from the installation of the AI Pro that we have here from Ubiquiti. So hope you enjoy it.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently, thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad.
So the installation went pretty smoothly. I'm usually used to installing the domes or the bullets, the G4, G5s. So kind of getting with the higher end hardware here, I really liked the rigidity of the mounting bracket and everything. So that really worked well. I'm really happy with the installation. I will say drilling through stucco was a new experience. So be prepared for that if that is some of the material you're working with. Overall, very satisfied with the product. Look out for more videos to come about the actual camera itself and the recordings. So thanks for watching.
And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up.